Hey guys, Carlos Sala here. Today I'm gonna talk about swipe files. Why are they and do you actually need one? Okay, basically a swipe file is some place where you store some copy that you really like. Back in the days, people used to save their emails, all the pages from magazines, from newspapers, and they have a huge box full of them, maybe a big binder. But nowadays, we can do it with our smartphone. We could do it to by screenshots or even taking pictures. What I really like to do is go into WhatsApp, do a group with myself, and then take screenshots and send it through there, and I have it pinned on the top of my conversations, so in that way I can always go there and send it, and it's really quickly because WhatsApp is the app that I use the most. So even when I'm in the supermarket, when I'm in the street, I take pictures of copy that I really like. So in this way I have a big database of the things that grabbed my attention. That's the really important thing, guys. You don't have to discriminate. It doesn't matter if the niche is completely different from yours. You can do it from whatever. If the copy is good and it grabs your attention, even better. If it grabs your attention and it's a niche that you don't even like, that you don't even know anything about it, that's a good hook. That's a good headline. So I take pictures and I save them. Also, the main purpose of a swipe file is to get warm up. Just like exercise, you need to stretch, you need to warm up. You can't just put a blank page and do the best headline ever, the best sales letter, the best email ever. You need to warm up first a little bit. So swipe files are a really good option to get warm up. So the ritual is like this. You get up and you say, okay, I need to do a sales funnel. So you look for your all the copy of your sales funnel, all those funnels that you've been through, that you can save them, and you read them and you see the patterns. Really important here, guys. Obviously take the ones that are really good, that have really good results, that are proven. You can funnel hack it, you can see the good funnels, and then your brain starts seeing the patterns. As human beings, we are made to see patterns. So as you read them and read them again, you see the patterns and then you write it, and then you got the proven method. This is a really cool life hack. You read a lot of them, then you got this notion of the pattern that you want, and then you put it with your own words and with your own unique niche. So another option that is really good is in Google Drive, and it's also free. In Google Drive, you can make a folder there and you can put all your swipe file. You could put videos, you could put images, you could put the sales pages, even links. And a really cool option also that I like doing in my Facebook group is sharing it with a lot of people, so we can all make a huge database and we can all get from this. Because imagine this, I'm going through my life and I'm seeing copy everywhere, from the orange juice that I drink in the morning, to the food that I eat, to the theater that I go. Everything has some way of copy. So imagine that in 100 lives, in 500 lives, they're gonna see really good copies, so we can all leverage from that. So if you don't have a swipe file, go ahead and do it right now. And if you have a swipe file, just use it. Get warm up, see the science behind. You don't even need to understand it. You don't need to understand how light works to use it. You don't need to understand how your car works to use it, right? You can still drive it. So you don't need to understand why the copy works. Obviously it's better, but you can still do it. You can see the patterns, see like, okay, they give benefits first. They use this kind of headline, they use this kind of bullets. And if it's like a trusted company, it's a big company that has results, you see, okay, this is a proven method and you can use it and you can hack it. So guys, if you haven't done a swipe file, do it right now. You can do it from anywhere, from the orange juice that you're drinking in the morning to everything that you buy. Copies everywhere. So once you start, you're gonna start getting momentum and you're gonna get a really, really good swipe file. Also, if you're like a order freak, you can have a folder for headlines, another one for sales pages, another one for bullets, for emails. Also, you can send the emails to yourself. Let's say that you get like in a really, really good newsletter. You can save it, you can screenshot it, you can save the file, the actual email, and save it somewhere. So in this way, the next time that you need some inspiration, that you don't know what to do, you know where to start, and you get the momentum, and then out of nowhere you start writing. Remember, I truly, truly believe that the first copy draft, you need to just write everything that comes to your mind. Don't be afraid, just write everything. And this way, then you go back and you tweak it and you get it in a better direction. So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't the swipe file, do it right now. You can remember, you can do it everywhere. You can do it in the WhatsApp group, take pictures, take screenshots, share some links. You can do even a Google Drive and share it with all your friends, with all the people that you like, with all your Facebook groups and on other copy nerds. So if you have any other topics you want me to talk about and you think that this was really, really clear, please like down below, and I'll see you later. Thanks.